Moi kaikki ja tervetuloa minun kanavaan. Nimi on Julia. Hi everyone, it's me Julia and welcome back to my channel, and this is another Finnish language lesson. Today I decided to teach you some prepositions and conjunctions because they are obviously very useful.
And, ja, before, ennen, inside, sisällä, with, kanssa, for, varten. Under, alle, after, jälkeen, outside, ulkona, but, mutta, from, alkaen. And now the ones that are terminations, you add them to the words. En mennä kauppaan. So you see the an. In is SSA. Kaupassa. In the store.
Thanks for watching. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Also check out my other two channels. The one in Finnish language is going to be helpful for you if you're kind of more advanced in Finnish already. But if you're a beginner, I have some videos with subtitles there and it's going to be interesting maybe for you. And don't forget to follow me on my social media for more news. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.